Hello besties, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are okay. So guys, in this particular video I'm going to show you guys how to do your knotless braided wig, tiny knotless braided wig from A to Z. How I did the pattern, how I braided, how I did everything. Okay, that's exactly what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So if it sounds like something you'll be interested in, stick with me to the end of this video where I'm going to show you guys all. So guys, these are some of the materials we'll be needing for this wig making. We are making a knotless, full-lace knotless braided wig, small size, not jumbo size knotless braided wig. So this is my full-lace already ventilated. I've shared a video on how to do this. Okay, it's attachment ventilated full-lace, but when you look at it, it seems like it's human hair. Look at it, guys. Can you see the texture? It's looking like human hair, but not human hair. This is actually attachment, but I turned it to human hair. If you want to know how I was able to do this, check the video before this one. That's I showed you guys how I was able to turn that attachment to this. Now it's looking like human hair, but not human hair. Okay, so I have my full lace still pretty on my mannequin head. We have our lace. You need mannequin head. You need wig stand or anything that you can place your mannequin head on. Then we need our some of the already stretched attachments. We don't know how I was able to cut and stretch this place. Check the video. Okay, I will still drop the link of that one in this particular video. I'll share the video on how you can get this. So we need this. That's it. We need our hair wash. I'm using this papaya hair wash. We need scissors. We need hair cream. Okay, and then of course we need our rattle comb for picking, and again we need this too for smoothing the attachment. Okay, these are the materials we need. So let's go ahead and make this way, guys. So first thing we are going to do now is to pat the lace. I already shared a detailed video on how to do your pattern, so I'm not going to be showing you guys the full pattern because I've done a video on that already. So you're going to be parting. Remember your part. See where I started at the back, where the hook is. Okay, where the hook is. Picking little part of the front head in order to cover the hook. Okay, I've already shared a little video on how to do this pattern. Remember the size of your wig, whether you are doing jumbo size or small size or medium size. That's what will determine what you should cut. So guys, this is how far I have done so far. I'm done with line 1, line 2, then I'm working on line 3. I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do all this. Remember I said earlier, if you don't know how I did the pattern, please watch my video on how to part your full lace before braiding. So what I did here was simply to go ahead and part my hair. Okay, I part my hair and I make sure I give it a very clean and clear pattern. After that, I have to use my hair wash for easy gripping of the hair, and also in order for me to get a very clear pattern. Alright, but if you are working with a blend hair, especially a blend hair that the texture is not all that good, do not apply hair wash while braiding because it won't permit you to braid. You will struggle with the braiding. So when I'm done, I have to divide my hair into 3 parts, and then I will braid the first one. I'll do the same thing again. Then I'll start adding my extension bit by bit. You have to start with a small one. Okay, start with small ones. Then as you progress, you can increase the volume of attachment you are picking depending on the size of the braids you are making. So I'll keep adding. This is how to add the extension so that the add up area will not show. I mean, the place you added the extension, it won't show. That's the perfect way to add your extensions. So I'll keep adding and braiding till I get to the length I want. So when you add it this way, that crossing design, you won't be seeing it on your braids. If you add up your extension the way I did. So what will happen when you do that is that the add up area will not show. Okay, so guys, feel free to drop all your questions. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. So this is the length which I will be completing the braids later on. So this is me showing you the second time what I did. Go ahead and pat my hair, give it a very clean and clear pattern. With the help of my hair wash, I can achieve that look. So after applying my hair wash, I will then go ahead to smoothing the extension. I mean my hair, smoothing my hair before braiding. So guys, if you followed me to this point and you know you've gotten one or two values from this video, please do not forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section and I will answer them. So if you want braided wigs, you want me to do braided wigs for you, either for retail, for wholesale, or for personal use, or you want me to revent for you full laces, frontals, closures, let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know in the comment section so I can do that for you. So guys, remember this is part 1 of this video. Stay tuned for part 2. Turn on the notification bell so I get notified once I upload that video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next upload. I hope you learned something from the video. Let me know what you learned in the comment section. Tell me exactly what you learned in the comment section. I have a giveaway for you. Thank you guys for watching once again, and see you guys in my next. See you guys soon. I'm uploading the part of this video soon, so do not miss it. Bye.